Okay, now we're back here to our Ozzy Throne reconstruction, as I promised. This is my first time online trying to make trying to make an effort to rebuild the Ozzy Throne, and yeah, I already like the results that it's actually going out from this end. Um, this is quite a very good job. The one we've been doing with this software for so long already. So yeah, good to see the shadows. Maybe a little bit confusing sometimes. We can even get rid of those, or like this. They're going to be casting shadows everywhere every time. So yeah, sometimes it's better using this HDR thing, custom thing, or even the white thing here with the white color with the shadows, so it doesn't make any confusion out there. Okay, so all these things can be turned into black. So get the high contrast thing. So what I was doing was this, starting with this lines out here, trying to make some logic out from the design of the cushion, what do you call it? What do you may call it? Yeah. So we can do a sort of yeah, where he's sitting, and this is like the other line that I could fix. Wondering whether these are the stream. Now I gotta use these pictures and put them rather close to my model so I can take a look at it while I'm figuring out how these lines are. I'm not a furniture designer, but I can see this is a quite straightforward line without too many curves on it, like this, right? Yeah, they kind of designed it to here. We're big, so we can get rid of those anyways. Because as far as I can see, it's just a straight line that goes from the head of the thing. So even duplicate this, put it here, put it on top, just right there. And see, we can edit it and give the round shape that it needs, like to be round thing from the arm. And I'm going to use this clay thing without so many reflections. So I think it's going to be easier to design it. Okay, so I can go like this too, and get rid of most points. So you can within 3 points do the right thing like this, and at the same time you can be having an idea of what it is, or you can even notice that we can do this cube that's going to be working as a prop, like a volume as such. You can go ahead and edit it like this, for us to already have an idea of the proportions as such. Okay, we're going to do the same thing in the back here, right? So it's got to be sitting from here. So to do that, you got to make sort of a line here, and then go up, like this. See, and it looks like quite fine. Just right there. So the other thing you have to remember in mind that everything you do can be editable in some different ways like this. Okay. So I think I'm gonna put this a little bit smaller. And also rotate it like 180. You can see a little bit smaller could work. So grab the center of it, our guy. And let's decide where to design first. Of course, there's as I said, photogrammetry going on there with the perspective of the focal length. But it's okay. I think we can fix it without any problem. That since you're aware of it, you can, of course, fix it every time. Like this. See, I have a question. Like, where the knees are? The knees should be like behind from the thing of the hands, of course. So we're gonna do a little bit here, and also the sitting. What do you say? Okay.